if you don't meet local Indonesian Balinese people, the experience is not going to be the same.
We're going to explore Tibumana Waterfall.
Bali is still nature. It's still jungle. Yeah. Very important is save the village, save your rice, save the jungle. This is very important for me.
So hello guys, I'm here with my friend Wayan.
Yes.
Wayan, the best driver here in Bali. In order to know, Wayan is the first name in Bali.
The second is Made. The third is Komang. Four is Ketut. If you have 5 sons and come back to Wayan.
So guys, we are ready to take a bath in the jungle of Bali, in the waterfall. So the best on all these trips is to share experiences with the locals.
Yeah.
You know, solo traveling is good, but if you don't meet local Indonesian Balinese people, the experience is not going to be the same.
Smile is first. If you have the new friend, new customer.
Exactly.
Smile is first.
Exactly. Smile always come first. This is God. We are inside the jungle, inside nature. The first time here, Japan.
Yes,
First
yes.
time.
And first time.
Don't you want to eat?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Why? Are you not hungry?
No.
All right, let's go here. We need. Hello.
Only water, brother.
We need water. Do you want a Coca-Cola, Fanta?
Only that. Really?
Don't be shy.
Really?
Don't be shy.
Really?
I will take one water. I love the music. And I will take one iced tea. He doesn't want to eat. Wayan, do you want an ice cream? No, nothing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Enjoy your sit down, yeah?
Thank you.
It's so nice.
You are really fascinated about the place. You like it so much.
No building, no something. This
Yes.
is still jungle, yeah. I like this one. It's very important. Is save your village, save your rice, save the jungle. This is very important for me. But I see here is still pure, still pure. That is still nature, still clean. This is very good, yeah. Bali is still nature. If you go to Ubud or something, Kuta, Canggu, no expectation the nature, no expectation. But if you outside in Ubud, it's different village. It's still Balinese people, still Balinese culture is good. Is Bali is still good, sir. If you want to go to East Bali like the Siduman village is what I said. Still no building here, only house or something. And then the rice field is good also. You see rice field like that. like that in cinnamon fillet is still good.
So guys, I'm really happy that I met Wana, if I spell correct the name again, because I forget about the names. He's really kind, the best of the best. We learn about the locals here, how they live, how is their culture, how they behave, how they grow up, how they are. And this is the most important thing we have in life. We need the human connection. That's it, guys. So right now we are going back to work, and tomorrow again, same thing, different places.
I think tomorrow I message you for
Yes.
sample. Yeah.
And you need to take your swimwear with you to
If
swim.
you want go to
Another waterfall.
waterfall, I can prepare for. Sorry for that. Sir.
Thank you.
You see the local people use the hat. It's very unique, yeah.
How is this hat called?
Leaf coconut. Still live, still smiling, and then peace.